Everybody, welcome back to another week. Figured I'd kind of give you a mid-season update, show you how the yard has progressed so far using nothing but n-ext products this year. So as you can see, it has filled in very nicely. So only spot that's rough up here is right in here and right there, and I know what it is. When we had the sidewalk done a year and a half ago, there was a little spillage here. I mean, so it's not chunks of concrete. It's more like when they were rinsing out, the water got in it. So it just is bad soil in this area right through here. So, but it's actually filled in more than it was earlier this year. I'll see if I can put a clip up of what it looked like earlier this season. But, I mean, this is nice thick turf. It's got a good color too. However, I'm getting ready to do a double dark application, so it's going to be even darker. She's going to look pretty. Because next weekend is the stripe contest with the greener lawn, so this thing needs to pop. So here's another popular angle that I shoot from. But as you can tell from earlier in the season, like I said, I'll put up another clip from earlier this season. You know, the difference in what the thin spots look like now from then is night and day. It's really filled in. Stuff has done its job. I have had a couple issues with weeds this year. I did actually do a video on it, but my GoPro decided that it didn't want to let me edit and download the footage. So that video never came out, but the weeds that I sprayed have already completely dried up and gone away from then. However, I do have a new batch of weeds that has decided to come in now. You see right here some white clover, some more. This area used to have terrible nutsedge last season. Don't see any coming back yet. Of course, we've also had a very dry year, especially compared to last year. It's very wet. This is my next concern. Oxalis. And there are several big patches of this in the yard. And I have something to take care of it. T-zone. However, like I said, the stripe contest is next weekend, and I don't want to put anything that might affect the color of the yard negatively. Sulfentrazone, if I get a little heavy in a spot, especially with the heat we have coming up, might leave a couple spots not looking too good, and I'm just not having that. So maybe 1st of June, something like that, I'll go ahead and spray it. Worst spot of it is right over in here, though. This magnolia keeps dropping leaves like crazy. But yeah, this is the worst spot. You see it. But it's not, I mean, I have to get up on it to see it. Really, it's not like visible from the street or even the sidewalk, really. But overall, I think the yard looks really good. Like I said, it is filled in tremendously. Try to put up another clip from earlier this season. Right in here was extremely thin. Still got a little bit to go, but huge difference from earlier this year. And this hasn't been fertilized in about a month. Yeah, a month. Month ago it had the biostimulant pack put down and 1801 green punch. So, I mean, it's been 4 weeks since it's had anything on it at all. It looks fabulous. I don't know if the color's showing up on the video like it is in person, but I mean, looks good. It's good and thick. Very happy. So with that being said, let's go ahead and give this thing a cut, start striping it, and set the stripe for next weekend's contest. Hope you guys like it. double cut. Let's see how she looks. Damn. I do love this mower and this striper. I say she looks pretty good. Just imagine if it was a little bit darker and I hadn't put these big bold ass stripes in it. Well, I guess there's only one thing to do. Cut it again. Man, the camera's not even doing it justice. From what the view from where I am is just amazing. I hope you've been lying about your wife cutting your yard. You're in trouble. That's gonna about wrap up this video. Laid down some pretty sweet stripes. Got them going this way. I also got them going this way. The sun's not really working with me right now to show you the diamonds, but they're there. You'll see them next weekend. Speaking of next weekend, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Jeremy's channel. Make sure that you see both of our points of view of this contest and what we're doing to make our yards look great. Jeremy's channel will be right up here. My channel will be right here. Don't forget to check out one of these videos right over here. And down below, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Leave me a comment. Till next time, I'm Eric. Peace.